What's up, exhaust addicts? I just want to let you guys know that we are located at Discount Muffler and Custom Exhaust, 3560 Dickerson Pike, Nashville, Tennessee. You can give us a call anytime at 615-612-6244. Our hours of operation are 8:30 to 4:30, Monday through Friday, Central Time. Thank you for watching and enjoy the video. All right, guys, we got a race car in here today. Look at this, V8 AMG. C63, nothing but raw power. Anyways, it's got CATLESS downpipes on this side and this side. Then 3-inch pipe goes into a valved H pipe right there. Then it goes out the back all the way to another H pipe. Not an H pipe, or just a brace. It always throws me out like an H pipe. Yeah, but see how it's not welded? So it's not an H pipe, it's just a brace. Then what we did is took the two mufflers off there and there, unplug the valves. They do throw a check engine light, so make sure you guys get it tuned if you do take the valves off. He's getting it tuned next to get the check engine light off, but they do not go into limp mode. So a little bit of information for you guys, but that's how you straight pipe them right there. Kept the AMG tips out the back on each side, there and there. So it's fully straight pipe. There's the two mufflers and there's the two valves. There's a valve there and a valve there. They're electronic, as you guys can see. There's the mufflers. Then when the valve opens, it goes through this. When it's closed, it goes through both. Just the small pipe to quiet it down, which is crazy for how much power this car puts. For them to put a 1.5-inch pipe out the back, I don't understand it, but Mercedes, German engineering at its best. So anyways, here we go, guys. We'll let you guys hear it. Look at this massive wing too, carbon fiber, hell yeah. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. And like always, guys, like, comment, and hit that subscribe. Look at his face! Yes! That's not even ready yet. This is at idle, guys. Look. It's 94 at idle. Give it gas. Wow. Worth every penny, man. Jet engine. Wow. Now I won't. I like TRX anymore. Wow. Wow. Here's sound decibels again. Mode. Let's see if it changes. He's gonna switch it to individual mode, which is like Sport Plus Plus basically. Yeah, it changed a little bit right away. Go ahead. Wow. There's sound decibels on individual mode. 113. Go ahead and back it out. Beautiful car. Look at this thing. It is a beast. Let you guys hear it on the inside. Look at these things. This is the customer now. Rev it again. We couldn't rev it that hard, guys. Look at this thing. Jeez Louise, man. Wow. I love it. Mercedes, you outdid yourselves. Let's see this launch. He's gonna launch it. Oh, that of a bit. Wow, that thing is a beast. Woo! Enjoy, guys. Beautiful.